ABC 24 News, meteorologist Danielle Moss with the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
The last couple of hours, we've been dealing with a lot of heavy rain, some strong to severe thunderstorms. It's been a lot to unpack here in the Mid-South. We take a look at our radar right now. It is still very active. You can see a number of some strong to severe thunderstorm warnings, as well as some tornado warnings. The good news is they're not in our area for now, so that's good news there. We are still dealing with some heavy rainfall as well. Northern Mississippi counties still stay on the watch. There is a tornado watch in effect until 8 tonight. Then you'll be in the clear, so keep that in mind. Let's take a look, though, at our national temperatures. You can literally see where the cold front is. Oklahoma City right now, 14 degrees. It is cold, bitterly cold. Everywhere in front of that cold front, though, it's pretty mild. Atlanta, 74 degrees. They're going to get some of those storms that are headed towards the east right now. Everything they left here is headed there, unfortunately. Let's time out when we're going to exactly dry out. This is our hour by hour. Keep your eye on these temperatures. You'll start to see them drop just a little bit. By 9 o'clock, all of the heavy stuff is going to be completely gone. So that's good news. We're going to dry out pretty quickly. But then 38 degrees. It's going to be so cold. I mean, today our high was 79. We broke a record, and it's going to get even colder. In fact, we have a chance to even see a little bit of a snow, not much at all, less than 1/10 of an inch. It's not going to freeze at all because the ground is just too warm. I hate to burst our snow bubble, but it's not going to be much at all. Our high temperature today broke a record, 79 degrees. Our last high was set in 1952, and we blew it out of the water. It was 75 degrees. Our temperature is going to stay cold for the next couple of days, and that's a little bit concerning because a lot of people are still without power from those thunderstorms that pushed through earlier today. But look at our temperature change. We're already 11 degrees colder here in Memphis, 14 degrees colder in Somerville. It's going to be much, much colder. And if you factor in a wind chill, it's going to feel maybe like the 30s to 20s when you wake up tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at some extreme cold safety tips. You want to protect your pets, pipes, and people for sure. Dress in layers and use caution when using those space heaters and candles if you do have to try to stay warm tonight. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. We're going to be brutally cold for tomorrow. Lows will be near 25 degrees. When you wake up, you could see a snow flurry or two. Nothing is going to stick at all. We're going to start to try to creep back into our average temperatures by Tuesday and Wednesday, but then a light rain might come through, and we're going to drop a little bit back on Thursday to be even colder again. This is really going to feel like winter. We've been very warm for the last couple of weeks, and now we are definitely paying the piper with these temperatures. I do want to make sure that you realize, though, 34 degrees is very, very cold. Yvonne, I hope everyone is taking this rainy day and finding all of their mittens and gloves and things to stay warm.
Yeah, we're definitely going to need it. And Danielle, to be quite honest, I'm kind of salty. Why couldn't it be this cold last week on Christmas?
Exactly. Now here we are talking about flurries on the first day of January.
The wacky weather continues.
Exactly.
Thank you.